Today I have a special video for you. What you see in front of you is the Reolink Go PT Plus 4G wireless security camera. And also, this is not a stationary security camera. It can move. You can control it. But you know what? I always test things, so that's what I'm going to do. Put this out in the field, test it, come back and show you what it did. I'm really excited to see the results. I hope you are. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back and you just saw the footage from the camera that I captured over the last couple of weeks. You know, a bunch of little pigs, some deer, one coyote, stuff like that. There wasn't a whole lot of animals that came by, mostly just this little herd of pigs, especially these little baby pigs that were coming by quite often, then a few big ones and stuff. But at least you got to see that the camera worked, how it looked in the daytime, nighttime and stuff. And now I want to talk about the app. So I do a lot of testing on different security camera systems, and I want to just come right out and say up front that Reolink, the Reolink app, is the best on the market that I have tested. I haven't tested every one, but as far as the ones that I have tested, it is the best, okay? Now this one is the 4G camera, and it's out there still in the field. I'll just click on it. We see that it says connecting here. Loading stream, and there we have it right there. So it's now pointed backwards at the forest. I had it pointing towards the fence, and now it's pointing backwards, but there it is right there. I can just easily turn it around if I want to. Turn it around. There's a little bit of a time delay, and it does have quite a bit of motion blur whenever it's in motion. So you got to kind of stop it about a couple of seconds before you want, but there's the trail going out. I can tilt it up just a bit here. There you go. So it lights up there. So it kind of gets that whole big area there. It works just flawlessly. And boy, I tell you that a lot of apps are just not that good. I'm going to exit out of that so I don't use too much data. The little SIMs card that I put in there that had 300 megabytes. After 2 weeks, I still have 150 megabytes left. And I've been doing a lot of testing and stuff with it. So it's very efficient on data usage. Now, what I want to talk about here is the app itself and the camera. So let's go into the settings menu. Okay, so it has an extensive options with settings here. You know, you can set your PIR motion, your camera record times, You can put a schedule on things if you want to, when you want it to record, when you don't want it to record. It even has person and vehicle and other type detections. So if it sees a person, it'll say person detected, or if it's a car, it'll say car, vehicle. If it's something else, it'll say other. So it just has a lot, and it's easy to work. It works really fast. It has what's called post-motion record here, which means that one cool thing about the security camera is as long as there's something moving in front of it, it will continue to record for as long as something is in front of it. And after that motion stops, it will continue to record for another 8 seconds. That's what that means. Post-motion record duration. So that really is actually better than a trail camera, which you set for a certain amount of time, say 10 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute, whatever. This one only records as long as there is something moving and plus 8 seconds. So that's pretty cool. I really like that feature, okay? But I do want to talk about some things. Now, if you notice here, it's at 93%. I've been doing a lot of testing. When I put it in the field, I actually was only charged to 40%, and it's been cloudy, and it's where the solar panel is actually not in the full sun. It really gets mostly full sun in the, from about 2 o'clock till 5 o'clock. So it's getting about 3 hours of good sun a day. And it stays fully charged. It's up to 93% because this evening I've been doing a lot of testing on it, and we've had a lot of animals around it. But every day it charges up, and even though it's been cloudy for 2 or 3 days, it's still at 93%. So that's really awesome. One critical thing that I really like about the app itself is that it has email alerts. This is where Reolink really sets itself out apart from the other security cameras that I've tested. None of the other ones that I've tested have email alerts. And you're like, what is that? Okay, let me just show you here. Okay, so Gmail is free, right? You can get a Gmail account for free. And that Gmail account comes with 15 gigabytes of free storage. Okay, so what I've done is I've just literally created a Gmail account just for my Reolink security cameras. Okay, all right, and I get these alarms sent to here all day long, and it stores a picture. Now, you can have it send a video sample. I'm going to go ahead and download that. Hold on. Okay, so there's the picture. Okay, so this is showing one from my feeder, just taken a little while ago. Okay, so I've got a deer out there by my feeder. You can see that there, okay? All right, so this is a way to store your images, and it sends a small little image file to your email, and you don't even have to access the camera. And so you've got a permanent record of what that camera has taken. So I have the different cameras set up here with different names. This one is from, okay, so here we go. This was the last picture it took not too long ago. Okay, and it was a coyote, all right? So we have a coyote on screen there. All right, so I'm just using this free email app called K9 Email and a free Gmail account. And see, Reolink is the only security camera that I know of that has the option to send out email alerts, okay? So that's one key thing that makes me like Reolink, why I would go with them. Now, push notifications, what that is basically like text messaging. So whenever the camera senses something, like if something walks in front of the camera right now, I'm going to get a notification on my phone, just like a text message, except that it's going to sound like an elk bugle. That way it sets it apart, lets me know it's wildlife. It's going to come on and do an elk bugle. And what's really cool is if I hear that and I get on my phone immediately and open the app, I can actually see the animal. I can see the animal, and I can actually follow the animal with the camera. So not too long ago, earlier this evening, that actually occurred, and there was some pigs around the camera. And let me go ahead and load this here. All right, so let me go back and see where that was. Okay, I see it right here. Okay, let me pull this up. Okay, so you can see there's the pigs right there, and I'm following them. I'm moving the camera around, watching them as they walk. Let me go backwards here. Let me do this one here. Okay, so here you see me moving the camera. There's the pigs. They're kind of moving through the trees there. Because of the little bit of time delay, it's not always easy to get it precise. But I'm watching them as they're coming across here. Okay, they're right there. And now I'm going to move over to the side. And so I'm literally watching the animals walk around. Okay, and boy, that is something you just can't do with a trail camera, buddy. You're not going to get that with a trail camera. You can do this, but this is where the security camera, this Reolink, just really shines. So that was really cool. If you have those push notifications enabled, that's what you can do, is you get that notification, and then you can just log on and follow the animal and watch it and stuff. So those things are all really cool. No power needed, totally solar powered. You know, if you have Wi-Fi, you can use the Wi-Fi cameras. If not, you can, they have the 4G option. All that's really great. There's really nothing negative about this setup that I can think of. Everything has worked and performed flawlessly. This camera, bar none, the Reolink cameras, both the Wi-Fi and this 4G, are the best security cameras that I have ever tested. As I said before, I bought my 2 first Reolinks of my own just based on the reviews, and they sent me this one to test. But as far as I am concerned, this is the way to go for trail cameras, okay? Forget the stupid, you know, 4G trail cameras, because I've tried several of those, and I have lots of hunting buddies that try those trail cameras, and they all complain about how they work and stuff, and none of them can come close to working like this for the price, okay? None of them have apps that work as smoothly and seamlessly, and you can turn them around and follow your animals and all that stuff. I mean, it's crazy how bad trail cameras are. Just the firmware problems are constantly updating them. I know guys that have to constantly go to their lease to do manual updates and stuff. So that is not the case with the Reolink security camera. It's a well-established company, and it has good products. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and it really helped you, and I thought you found it interesting. If you have liked it, please like, subscribe, and comment.